Vogel is a leading electrical engineering company in Hamer near Dortmund, Germany, specializing in the maintenance and modernization of industrial systems. The company also supplies well-known business enterprises with new electronic components, such as pumps, drive units, and electric motors. To meet growing business and storage demands, Vogel expanded its floor space up to some 6,000 square meters. The new storage infrastructure is centered around a Haino multi-space system. The industrial storage lift system is completely integrated in an enclosed shaft that is 25 meters high, extending from the foundation of the new building to the specially extended roof of the complex. Being nearly 6 meters wide, the Haino multi-space provides a remarkable storage area of some 550 square meters, with a footprint that is just 24 square meters. The storage system, with a total of 6 retrieval points, is located in the center of the building and serves 5 different floors, so that employees in the receiving area, as well as those in the supervisory and administrative offices, have direct access to the total volume of stored items. The unique 3-axis design of the extractor moves the requested containers from the storage position to the specified retrieval point with remarkable speed. What's more, this energy-efficient industrial storage system contributes to sustainability thanks to the Haino EcoDrive technology. A frequency converter ensures that as much as 40% of the energy required for each upward run of the extractor can be fed back into the power supply network each time the extractor makes a downward run. The Haino multi-space also makes for smooth and efficient shipping and receiving. The containers can be pulled right out of the access points so that they rest on the support rails. This is an important feature. Even the heaviest electric motors can be moved ergonomically with a pulley crane and placed on the containers, with no obstacles to get in the way. Dual access points mean that items can be retrieved or put into storage at the same time. The Haino multi-space can hold up to 120 tons of stored goods while delivering maximum efficiency and saving space at the same time. One of the retrieval points is located in the supervisory office on the first floor. Due to its proximity to the workshops and the short walking distances, parts and components are quickly available when needed. The desired container can be requested conveniently using the control unit with an LCD mounted at the side of the storage system. With 2 retrieval points for administrative offices on 2 floors, employees have direct access to the consumables they need. In addition to assembly components and service parts, Vogel also keeps all of its office materials in the Haino multi-space. The Haino multifunction container is suited for the safe storage of all types of items, from large volumes of diverse small articles to large and heavy machine components and tools. Since the Haino multi-space is completely integrated in the building and hardly accessible from the outside, enhanced fire protection is an important aspect. In the event of a fire, a network of pipes fills the entire Haino multi-space system with nitrogen gas. The nitrogen is stored in 82 gas cylinders. This fire extinguishing method is preferable to using water because nitrogen will not damage any of the articles in storage. flexible utilization of storage space, a small footprint, perfect integration in the building infrastructure, and direct access to all inventory articles on site where they are needed. The Hahnel Multispace combines all of these benefits with proven Hahnel industrial storage technology.